Hey, this is Gary from 3Bug Media, and today we're going to talk about link building for local SEO. Now, most local businesses aren't working with SEO companies, they're not working with link building companies or marketing companies. Usually they have small budgets and try to do most things themselves, but also understand the importance of local SEO, online marketing, and also the importance of link building. So I'm going to give you some quick and easy ways to get links for your website that do not require any kind of technical skill or expertise or software or anything like that. These are easy to get and you can do them yourself. So first off, directories. This should be your first stop when you're doing link building for your website. Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Hot Frog, Google My Business, directory sites like that. You may have local ones, you may have industry specific ones, you'll have popular national ones in your country. Make sure that you have a listing in the popular ones there because they're easy to get and they'll give you a little bit of link equity coming back to your website. Review sites, social sites like Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, things like that, Angie's List, Homestars if you're in Canada, things like that. Kind of like directories, there's really no barrier to entry. You just need to register and you're getting yourself some good quality links for your business. So these first two should definitely be your first stops when it comes to link building. Take a look, see where you're listed already, see where you're not being listed, make sure you get added and your information is correct and you have a proper link to your website. Vendor listings, this one gets overlooked a lot. So if you're a local business, take a look at all of your suppliers. A lot of their websites will have dealer locators on there. Find a dealer in your area. Make sure you're being listed, your company is being listed, and you have a valid link to your website on there. These are good links to get. They're easy to get, and a lot of times they're missed. Industry associations or local associations. Take a look at all your memberships, or even Chamber of Commerce, industry associations that you belong to, things like that. A lot of times they'll list all of their members with a link to their website. Take a review of all the memberships you belong to, take a look at their websites, make sure you're being listed properly and you have a link going back to your website. Local sponsorships. These are good opportunities too. Sports, meetups, civic groups, things like that. They're always looking for sponsors. Okay, so not only are you helping your community, take a look at their websites. A lot of times they'll have sponsor pages. Sometimes it's even on the homepage, and they'll have links back to the websites of their sponsors. So these are easy to get, and it's a good community thing to do for your business. Host events. So if you have a retail location, you have a nice space, consider hosting events, or even if you don't, you can always lease out a space or something like that and kind of host the event for people. But charity, fundraisers, things like that, open your doors up. Even meetup groups, things like that, let them in. A lot of times they'll start sharing it on Eventbrite, local papers, local organizations, and they'll link back to where the event is, which is going to be your place or wherever you're hosting it. So these are good to get, give a little and you'll get some links back. Local media and blogs, local papers that have websites, local blogs, things like that. Start curating a list of them, keep them on a spreadsheet or something like that. Start following what they're doing, keep an eye out. Sometimes they'll talk about something topical for your industry. You can reach out to them, maybe offer some tips, or maybe you have some content you can contribute to them, past blog posts, things like that. You can share content with them, contests, charity events. So if you're hosting charity events, fundraisers, now you have a very good reason to reach out to these people. A lot of times they'll gladly list them on there. Same thing, link back to your website. So all of these are pretty simple ways to get links back to your website. If you're doing local SEO, it doesn't require a lot of content writing, expertise, software, things like that. These are all things you can do all by yourself, and they're pretty easy to do if you put in a little bit of time. So hopefully this gave you a good tutorial on link building for local SEO. If you have any questions, you can go to 3bugmedia.com. Thank you very much.